Okay, the scanner is a really interesting one. I mean, this is very new technology, and my first impression was, oh, maybe this is something a bit like biofeedback. Maybe some of you are aware of SCIO and systems like that, which pick up vibrations of the body and then feed back currents to help balance conditions and sort out energies. At first I thought it might be something like that, but the scanner really does something quite different, I think, in that it is able to sense, if you like, electronic frequencies quite deeply in the body and send back inside to equal deep levels a pulse or a vibration, which then really stimulates the immune system and enables the energies of your body to gather and synthesize and to integrate or swallow up, if you like, places, if you like, of tension physically and emotionally, spiritual complexes that may be quite deeply encoded in the body, which are knotty problems for you or give you physical and mental and emotional problems. It's a type of treatment which you can use really at any level, and there will be many benefits. Of course you can use it physically if you have a condition, and you will experience really quite quickly more energy, a loosening of the problems in the area where you've applied it, and there are many settings that you can use to help you do this. But I think also even more usefully, emotionally and spiritually, the scanner helps to catalyse your own healing process. So long after you've switched it off, your body has got a set of information in the form of a pulse or an energy wavelength to start working with in that area, and with the energies and the spiritual codes, if you like, that it has within it, to start opening to a deeper level, to integrate things that may not be totally harmonious or joined up. And also it seems, for me anyway, it seems to activate certain energy centres in the body really quite strongly and bring them into alignment. I think that the scanner has a perceptible effect really straight away when you use it, but I think even long after the treatment, my observation of the aura is that it's still working, you know, up to a week to 2 weeks after, and that can be just with a slight application. So I'm not necessarily saying the more you use it, the better, but what I'm saying is that it's really quite pinpointed, and that there's a body intelligence that you have that will quite literally respond to what comes out of the scanner and the instrument, and then start to work on your spiritual layers as it moves through the physical, emotional and mental. I also think that the more water you drink while you use the scanner, the more effectively it can work. Now I know this sounds like common sense and you've probably heard it all before, but there's something about the magnetic quality of water and its electrical properties, which means that with this instrument it really magnifies the effect. If you can drink water before and after the treatment, it's much more powerfully enhanced, and I saw that in the colours of the aura. Also, if you use the type of scanner which has a dose function, and I believe that's the slightly more advanced type, but if you use the type that has a dose function, you can get very, very pinpointed frequencies that go into the acupressure and acupoint places in the body, and deliver really quite a specific package of energy quotient or needs that your body will respond to. So I really recommend that. I think also that as a result of using the scanner longer term, I think that psychic centres can definitely open up. I don't think it works in the same way, say, as the wands. But I think that an ongoing effect of the scanner treatment is that your energies start to align and open so much it's almost like a domino rally. And maybe one piece of work you've done in one area of your body will then trigger other energetic and synaptic changes in other areas, and then psychic and emotional centres will literally begin to fall open. So the greater effects, I think, are a stronger resonance overall with the energy energies around you, more transfer from inside to outside energetically, and definitely more sensitivity physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually to the things around you in your space, including of course people. There's greater empathy that's available as a result of working with the scanner longer